Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today I'm gonna talk about an international event, a celebration in United States. I am gonna tell you about Albuquerque International Balloon. Albuquerque is the biggest city in New Mexico and is located in the desert, so hot. The Albuquerque International Balloon is an annual balloon festival that takes place every year in Albuquerque, as I said before, in New Mexico, USA. It's the biggest concentration of balloons in the world. This event is celebrated from October 6 to 14. In every year, around 500 balloons are ready to fly in the sky. People who want to go to this festival have to buy tickets. Nevertheless, the international festival includes in its schedule some different activities for everybody. Activities like cultural exhibitions, workshops, competitions, grades, concerts, and obviously fireworks. People that couldn't go to the event could can see fireworks and balloons in the sky at night. This since some pilots rather to fly their balloons at night. Mm, Around 750,000 people come to this place every year from different countries and different places, and they come to this place in order to see this wonderful show and can stay at one of the accommodation sites, and they can simply camping in some places that are available to stay. So every morning there are professionals that make studies about temperature and wind in order to make the event safe for everybody and for all attendants. So you cannot miss this great experience. I hope you like the presentation, and that's all. Thank you. Bye.